Students, today we will learn about computer, my friend. Hello children, I know all of you love to play games. Where do you play games? At home? At PlayStation? On which machine do you play games at home? May I tell you, ma'am? Yes, dear. On TV and mobile. Where else can you play games at home? Ma'am, on computer. Yes, you are right. Have you seen computer in some other places? Yes, ma'am. In my father's office. In shopping malls. Very good, children. Now I will teach you many things about computer. Today we will learn about computer, a machine. Children, look at these pictures. This is a calculator, juicer and fan. These are the pictures of different machines. Okay, let me tell you that machines are man-made things and they help us to do different types of work. All machines have some things in common. Like, machines work fast. Machines save our time. Machines makes our work easy, but machines cannot work on their own. Students, most machines run on electricity. For example, washing machine, mixer, refrigerator. Some machines run on fuel like aeroplane and car. Some machines work with human power. For example, rickshaw, sewing machine, and boat. In the same way, computer is also a machine. It runs on electricity. A computer can do many things. So students, let us see what does a computer do. I am a smart machine. I never make mistakes. I never get tired. I can work very fast. I can store many things like words, numbers and pictures. I work when I get orders from you. Students, today we will understand uses of a computer. A computer is a wonderful and useful machine. It helps to do many things. A computer can be used to draw and color pictures, to play games like shooting, car racing, etc., to store information, to type letters, to book tickets online, to study different subjects, to solve sums very fast, to listen to music, to watch movies and cartoons like Spider-Man, Tom and Jerry, to send and receive messages quickly anywhere in the world. Okay, students, now let us see the places where computers are used. At homes, to study and play games. In shops and malls to make bills. At railway stations for booking tickets. In schools for teaching and learning. In hotels and resorts to record guest details. In offices to do office work. In banks to deposit and withdraw money. In restaurants to make bills of food items. at airports for booking tickets and getting flight details. Today we will learn about parts of a computer. As we have different parts in our body, a computer also has many parts. All these parts work together to do any work in a computer. Now, let us understand parts of a computer. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and printer. Okay, let us first talk about monitor. A monitor looks like a television. We can see movies and cartoons on the monitor. It shows us the work done on the computer. Now let me tell you about CPU, that is, Central Processing Unit. A CPU is the brain of a computer. It looks like a box. It helps a computer to think and work according to the given orders. Okay, children, let us understand about keyboard. This is a keyboard. You must have seen a mobile, a Casio, or a calculator. Students, do you find anything common in them? Yes, all of them have a keypad with many keys. Each key has a different function. In the same way, a computer too has a keyboard with many keys. These keys are used to type letters, words, numbers, and special characters. Okay, now we shall talk about mouse. This is a computer mouse. It looks like a real mouse. It has 2 buttons. It helps us to draw pictures, point at things on the monitor, play games. All right, students, let me tell you about printer. A printer is used to take a printout on paper. Students, today we will learn about keyboard. We use a pencil or a pen to write in our notebook. Likewise, we need a keyboard to type characters, words, or sentences on a computer. There are 3 types of keys on a keyboard: alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. Let us learn about these 3 types of keys in detail. Alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are used to type words and sentences. They are 26 in number. Number keys. The number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked with 0 to 9. Special keys. Let us learn about some special keys which are commonly used. Look at the longest key on the keyboard. Yes, this is a spacebar key. It is used to add blank spaces between words, letters, or numbers. Type the name given on the left. See how it looks without a space. Now press spacebar after Ria and see the result. Another special key is Enter key. The Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. A keyboard has 2 Enter keys. It comes in different shapes. Now, let us learn about another special key, Backspace key. The Backspace key works like an eraser. By pressing this key, you can erase the letters one by one left to the cursor. Let us discuss about Caps Lock key. The Caps Lock key is used to type capital letters. Press the Caps Lock key once. This will turn on the light of the Caps Lock. Type the text. It will appear in the capital letters. For example, my name is Ria Bhatia. Cursor. It is a blinking line that shows where you can start typing the text. So students, let us learn about using a mouse. Children, all of you must have seen a mouse in and around your house. Let us know about it. A mouse is small in size. It has a tail. It runs very fast. Now let us talk about the computer mouse. It is small. It looks like a real mouse. It has 2 buttons on it. It has a wire like a tail, which is fixed to the CPU. Nowadays, we also use a wireless mouse. A mouse helps us to draw pictures, select any item on the monitor, play games. When we move the mouse, we see a small arrow moving on the monitor. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Okay, students, let us learn how to hold a mouse. Look at the picture now. Place your index finger on the left mouse button. Place the middle finger on the right mouse button. Hold the mouse with the rest of the fingers and thumb. Rest your palm on the mouse. Now move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Okay, children, let me tell you how to use the mouse buttons. All of us have seen a camera. What would you say to your parents if you want to take their photograph? Let me click your photograph. The mouse also has the same function, clicking. Pressing the mouse button once is called clicking. This selects an item. Double click. Double click means pressing the left mouse button twice quickly. This makes 2 click sounds and opens an item. Right click. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once will show a list of commands on the monitor. Let us try. Place your palm on this PC icon. Now right-click on it. The list of options will appear. Press once on the blank area of desktop. Again, double-click on this PC icon to open it. Drag and drop. This action is used to move an item from one place to another on the monitor with the help of a mouse. Let us try. Place the pointer over an item on the screen. Press and hold down the left mouse button. Now move the pointer to the place where you want to place the item. Release the button and you will see that the item has moved to a new place. Today we will learn about data and memory. A computer does not work on its own. You need to work on it by entering letters, numbers, or symbols. Let us understand this with a simple activity. Complete the following sentences. My name is. I am year old. I study in school. My mother's name is. My father's name is. My house address is. I have dash brothers and dash sisters. Whatever you have written in letters, words and numbers is called data. Data can be words, numbers, pictures or sound. Let us talk about memory. How do you remember things? You store everything in your memory. In the same way, a computer remembers and stores a lot of data in its memory. It never forgets the data stored in it. Students, let us learn about storage in a computer. Children, look at the given pictures. These are used to store things. They are called storage places. You keep your clothes, books and toys in an almirah, so it's a storage place. Every day you carry your school bag. Your school bag is a storage place for keeping your books and notebooks. A refrigerator is a storage place for keeping fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, chocolates and other eatables. Students, similarly you can store the data of a computer in CDs or pen drives. You can store games, letters, stories, drawings, songs, etc. in them. You can use the stored data whenever you need it.